I often find myself explaining or talking about why you might choose the rigid 100 versus the zero flex 100. So I just want to touch on that quickly and let you see a few things. So this 100 piece, you'll notice when I press on it, it has a little give in it. So it can do a gentle arc. I'm talking very gentle, but it will do that and be quite a strong finish. For a straight line, if you're looking from the front and you're seeing it like from this direction, then it's going to look fine. It's going to be a nice straight finish. If you're looking down the line, that's when it can become susceptible over time to the odd little shunt. It's very slight, but if you're a perfectionist, you're going to see it. So that's why we designed the Zero Flex 100. This has the strong foot, so it's on a strong base. It's going to hold that line. It's going to be an unmovable edge. So all the way along, you're going to see perfection. So that's very important to some of your clients. It's very important to me that if I want a straight line, I get exactly that. So don't underestimate the strength you get when you choose to use the Zero Flex 100. So that's the difference. That's why I'll often talk about it with you when we're having our phone call conversations, and just try and help you understand this does cost a little more, but there's a reason for it. And there's a lot of situations where I'd really want you to choose this one over this one to make sure the result that you get for the long term is all the better.